the motherfucker looking good.
Hey,
what?
man.
What's up, player?
Man, what's going on, bro?
You want to delete the cat?
Yeah, man. It's time to get these.
Some more growl, huh?
Yeah, some more growl, man. I need it, man. I've seen
videos, dog.
Huh?
I be seeing your videos.
You see my yeah, I'm trying,
coming
man.
Up, huh?
I'm trying to do my thing, man.
YouTube channel and shit.
I'm trying to keep it going, man, and stay motivated and keep it and make it grow, man. I mean,
how many followers you got now?
Right now,
you know I got an Instagram page for the shop too. Your car's on there. Everybody likes it.
Yeah, man. I know I follow you on Facebook, man. I'm not sure.
Yeah, we got a shop for the we got
Instagram
for the shop, man. We put the car on there. Everybody's like, dang.
Really? I didn't, man.
I'll show you right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna let you pull up on the left, man. So, okay. I'm gonna pull it in right here, though.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, pretty much. You know, you gotta get that high sound before. How much louder it's gonna be after you cut these cats off. My family over here at John's Muffler Shop. They come here for a long time. Man, how long? Damn, how long I been coming to y'all, man?
Like more than 10 years?
Yeah, cause y'all did work on my the white Ram pickup truck I had, and that was a 05. Golly, bro. Yeah, I've been
more than 10 years.
Yeah, that's been a long time, man.
05.
That's been a long time. Y'all was still on Veteran Memorial. Yeah, man. I've been rocking with y'all for a minute, man.
David came up.
Well, look, I'm blessed to have what I have. I ain't gonna say I came up. I ain't gonna say I came up until I get me an exotic car. When that happens, then I'm gonna say, okay, yeah, man, I didn't came up. But yeah, I done had my fair share of nice cars and trucks to drive. So.
Cars and whatnot.
Yeah, man, I don't understand why the hell GM even put these things on here, dude.
Man,
it makes
power away.
It makes absolutely no sense.
Yep.
Yeah, it's time for these jokers to come off. I finally decided to go ahead and pull the trigger on it, man.
Yeah. You'll feel better with response too, like throttle wise.
Yeah. Yep. The more air you can get in and out of an engine.
Especially right now, this weather.
Oh yeah, man.
Perfect, man.
I already know it's gonna make a little difference.
Oh hell yeah. As soon as you crank it up, you'll be like, damn, what the fuck? Why didn't I do that a long time ago?
I know, right? Coming this way, it was a dude that was right on side of me, man, in a you know them old Saabs?
Oh,
Yeah. And he was pacing on side of me, man. I was actually on the phone, man. I was wondering, I'm like, okay, I don't think he's trying to run or nothing, but I kind of glanced over and he was just kind of making a motion with his hands like, hit it.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, I kicked it down a couple of gears and shot around this bus, man, and
was like, damn.
yeah, I guess he was feeling that. So
yeah, he was like, damn,
yeah.
I should have got me an SS, man.
I be the same way though. Like when I be in this car or my other one, man. Like if I see another car, like some type of performance car with a nice exhaust, I be waiting for them to hit that shit because I want to hear it. Yeah.
Yeah, you got it in your blood already.
Yeah, man. I love it, man.
Yeah, come on, say punch it.
I love it, bro. Yes, indeed. Yeah, she's gonna be a little louder, just a little bit. Nah, it's cool, man. You can let it run. Hey, rev it up. Yeah, it's a little louder. One being absolutely zero fit, and 10 making a huge difference. I say the difference out here is probably, about a, I give it a 3, maybe 3.5. I can tell it's flowing a little better, but it's not the effects of, let's say, me putting some headers on it, even shorty headers. So, you know, like I said, it makes a little difference. I get more pops in the exhaust now as opposed to Or every little bit helps. So there we go. Hey. Thumbs up. Well, I'm about to take on back home, jump in this other car. Well, thanks for tuning in, folks. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about how the car sounds with this little secondary cat delete. Until next time, you guys stay safe out there and live life fast.